In this video, we'll solve this word problem. First, we'll find the cost equation or the cost function. We'll call it C of x, where C is for the cost and x is the number of DVDs sold. We have two kinds of costs. One is the fixed cost, which is $24,000, and the other one is variable cost, that is $7.45 per DVD. So the total cost will be first the fixed cost, $24,000 plus $7.45 per DVD times X DVDs. This will be my cost equation. Now let's find the revenue equation. We'll call it R of X, where R is the revenue and X is the number of DVDs sold. The revenue is purely dependent on sales, right? So for each DVD, it's $19.95, so the revenue should be 19.95 times the number of DVDs sold, which is X. So this is the revenue equation. Now let's look at the B part. How many DVDs must be sold each month for the company to break even? So when it breaks even, that means the cost must be equal to the revenue. Therefore, this 24,000 plus 7.45x must be equal to 19.95x. Solve for x, we have x is 1,920. This means the company must sell 1,920 DVDs to break even for each month. Now let's graph the two functions in one coordinate plane. This is a roughly graphed equation for C of x, the cost equation. And this purple line is the graph for the revenue equation. And where the two graphs intersect will be the break-even point. And we calculated earlier when X or when 1,920 DVDs are sold, which reach our break-even point. And to the left of the break-even point, the cost is greater than the revenue. And the gap in between the two lines will be the loss. And to the right of the break-even point, we can see the revenue is greater than the cost. And the gap in between the two lines will be the profit. So the company needs to sell 1,920 DVDs or more each month to make a profit.